It was a massive, I want to say my biggest failure so far. Multiple people want to grow more. What's the next thing? Cigar nights, bro. Cigar nights was a massive hit. I know we got some promos coming out, but for you guys who came, thank you so much. I know I announced this on social not too long ago, but we raised $3,500 in charity, and so for the next tickets, I'm raising the prices. If you guys want to go to the next one, I'm guessing it'll be in January. RSVP now. I'm raising the prices. We can make such a big impact with this, right? Donating to this charity, Operation Underground Railroad, to where it sticks with me so hard. Someone could get their kid kidnapped and that kid gets put into sex trafficking. Like, it's insanity and it's awful, to where if we can donate whatever we can to them, all the better. And at the same time, if we get to go drink and smoke with our friends, why not, right? I get to go pay $100, $200, $300, $400, $500 to just go drink and smoke with my friends for a night and learn more about real estate and hear someone amazing talk. To where my friend Michael Ray went to prison for mortgage fraud, and he was making multiple seven figures doing this, had boats, lived on the water at Laguna Beach, nice cars, everything, lost it all. And his number one thing he said is, I woke up and I was chasing the money, but the money was my master and I wasn't happy. Right? To where you don't want to chase money because it's like a dog and it'll run away. You want to attract things to you. But I'm always thinking about how I can make more money in my businesses, in my life, whatever I'm doing. But it was interesting to see someone who was, when you're making multiple seven figures a year, you don't really need cash, right? Like, you don't need, I need more. Only thing I will need more for would be a jet, right? Like, okay, but then I have my jet. But after that, I want more impact. Like, am I helping people? Are people in my companies growing? Like, what is going on there? And it was just amazing to see. It's like, no, bro, all that went away. I was miserable. His house got raided by the feds and everything. And then now here he is. He's making seven figures again, right? Because once you learn how to do it, you're going to do it again. Right? You know how to do it, which is pretty fascinating. He's already set that level of vibration for himself. So this is where he was at. He dropped, and then now he's back up here again. He's even going further and further and reaching new heights.